Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove invite message on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go and remove the invite message option shown on your Instagram application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically proceed with messaging the preferred person that you would like to go ahead and have invite only. As you would notice, we have this option over here, and this person is actually an invite only person that allows me to only message them through invites. So in this case, if you want to go ahead and delete those messages, what we need to go ahead and do is to go ahead and proceed with temporarily blocking them. So tap on their three dots, tap on block, and block. Now tap on their messages once more, and I want you to go ahead and tap on delete right here and delete the chat permanently. Now unblock them, and as you would notice, the message that you have sent to them is now gone, and you can now message them once more. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.